Okay, we're all swimming by the pool. Come on, Coco. Come on. Come on, Coco. Coco's American Bulldog. There she goes. Where is it, Coco? She just passed it. There it is, right there. Oh, she just passed it again. Yeah. Come on, Coco. There you go. Good girl. We got Big Murphy, the Great Dane. Niki, the Husky Cattle Dog, and her brother Murphy, other Murphy. Maggie! Maggie just fell in. She's a Labradoodle. Oh, I've never seen Murphy swim. The Great Danes swim, I've never seen it. Oh, just having fun by the pool. My son's in there, Clayton. Okay, see you later.